बड़ा मजा आया to play Murtaza Malik because like that guy is evil, bro.
See, I saw Murtaza Malik. I didn't see to him like an evil person, frankly speaking.
जाओ मियाँ.
See, if I have to play a character, I have to be true to it and I have to understand it wholly. He was hero for his country. He is doing everything that is in his country's interest, not even his personal interest, not even his personal close ones, nobody's interest. So it was very, very important, first of all, to understand the world he is coming from. And talking about ISI, it is 20 years older to Raw. It is already experienced, and I'm glad that it is shown in that way because those certain things are facts. बाकी हमने emotionally जो drama बनाया है, that is just amazing. But these are the facts, and that's how they showed it, which is a beautiful part of the show. And then to operate from that level, to have that experience, to have that kind of understanding, to have that knack of judging, through your eyes, nose, smell, to have that kind of power and to have that demeanor, the know-it-all kind of a demeanor. So it took a lot mentally.
It took me to Colonel Landa from
Oh my
Inglourious
God.
Bastards, and
So
that is a
much.
compliment
Thank
because
you.
that first scene of
Yeah, I
Inglourious
love it.
Bastards is so amazing because वो कहता है ना कि I'm a Jew hunter,
Yeah.
कि वो actually सूंघ के निकाल देता है लोगों को. और आपके बारे में भी एक आपकी तारीफ में ऐसी एक लाइन है.
जी.
So it's kind of
कुत्ते
interesting.
जैसी नाक है.
कुत्ते जैसी नाक है. But उस लहजे की बात कीजिए because I watch a lot of behind the scenes cricket of Pakistan.
Okay.
मतलब मैं आते जाते घर पे वो चालू होता है because I just love the banter. वो commentary box में बैठे कोई भी अलता मैच चल रहा है और उनकी जो पुरानी YouTube पे आप देख सकते वहाँ से पता चलता है कि कैसे इंडिया और पाकिस्तान एक्चुअली दोनों एक ही मुल्क थे.
माशाल्लाह किस तरीके से खेल रहे हैं, क्या नुमाइंदे हैं यहाँ के, ये तो बंदे ये बॉल फेंक रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं ये?
तो क्या तुमने भी वही देखा?
नहीं, मैं भी बहुत बड़ा क्रिकेट बफ हूँ, तो मैंने ये सब तो सुना ही हुआ था और कुछ एक किरदार भी किए हैं पहले जिसके लिए थोड़ी बहुत इस तरीके की तैयारी की गई थी. बट that was not still a full-fledged, एक कुछ 2-3 सीन 4 सीन करना एक अलग बात होती है, but to maintain that thoroughly, that is a different ball game. So I didn't have to just
imitate.
2-3 imitate नहीं कर सकते थे 2-3 words या चीजें लेकर, but I of course from research to watched interviews to heard a lot of people how they talk. And also, other than accent, it was also the era. It was the 70s. What you're talking about, the kind of gravity that they had. And वो सारी चीज़ें समझना, उनका हाव भाव, his demeanor. So that was very, very impediment. And along with that, along with my self-research, we had Ishraq Bhai, who really helped me and the team with the accent. So I'm very, very thankful of him. And it was not just everyday job, every moment, and it is not easy to emote along with having an accent.
Yeah.
But God's grace, I try to do that with the help of other people.